Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to retrieve suspended Instagram account. So let's get into it. To recover a suspended Instagram account, you need to submit an appeal directly to Instagram. To do this, go to help.instagram.com/contact/606967319425038. Enter your full name, email, username, mobile number, and type in a brief message explaining why you think your account should not be suspended or deactivated. Once you're done, click on the Send button. They will contact you once they make a decision about your account. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.